I'll give you a little technique. A very simple thing you can do if you're having mind chatter, if your mind is racing. All you have to do to disarm that is to relax your tongue. It's like flipping a switch. So if you want, you could just try it right now. And you don't do anything with your tongue, you just let it release. And what you're going to feel, so just play with it, be relaxed. And what you want to do is, it helps to soften your eyes, because our minds kind of tend to be on with the eyes focused, but you soften or relax them. So what you'll notice is, as soon as that tongue lets go, the voice can't speak. The reason, isn't it cool? The reason for that is that whenever our minds get going, that stream of consciousness, they're getting ready to speak it out loud. And they can't speak with the tongue relaxed. So when that happens, you'll notice that you're instantly present, in that present vitality. And you'll start to notice other things releasing, other little holdouts, so jaw it might be, or neck, or shoulders, because we have this wiring that when that mind gets going, we're up and at, and so all of that naturally lets go. So that's kind of a cool thing. You can do that before you meditate. You can do that anytime you go, okay, wait, shh, I don't need any of this. I'm getting stressed out, But the other thing I added to it, so I learned that a few years ago, and then as I started working with patients on it, I was like, we need something else. So what I added was to actually engage the mind. So we usually are like saying, go away, mind, But what we really want is for it to sort of help it transform. So you ask it to, so you say, okay, I need your help. So don't go away. Stay here, but I need you not to talk. And here's what I do want you to do. And then you need to know what you want it to do instead. So it can be quiet and alert and observant. But like that time in the energy healing when I was hearing, you can't, it's impossible. I said, okay, but just let's look. I'm going to ask you to just look and let's try it. So that's the kind of way you want to position it, so that part starts to feel, it's like it's safe. So you can say something like, okay, I'm going to ask you to not talk, but I really want you here with me, so you can listen to this deeper part and remind me about it when I need it. Or if you're having trouble falling asleep, or you're waking up later, before you go to sleep, you can kind of pre-program it. Ask your mind to be in charge of that, giving you a good night's sleep. Because it's usually the one that's waking you up, right? So if you start out by unwinding and then saying to your mind, okay, come on over, I need your help. I really need a good night's sleep, so I'm going to ask you not to talk. But I really want you to guard my sleep and tell me about my dreams in the morning. And I've had a number of patients try that, and if you're one that wakes up in the night, you fall asleep okay, still pre-program ahead of time, and when you wake up that first time, you just remind it, okay, before it starts going, oh my gosh, I need a good night's sleep, we're awake, and really wakes you up. And after a night or two, you'll sleep.